I want to understand if you will only refer to legal means, and you mentioned several times that you will take it to the CTHR. We have a case of the arbitration ruling, which the authorities refuse to implement.
Exactly.
So how, given these type of authorities, how do you take it only to the legal?
No, you miss it.
Whether the CTHR ruling will even be...
No. You misunderstand what I'm saying. We intend to fight this case politically every day. Till he is free. Every day. We will attack Armenia every day until he is freed. We will attack Pashinyan every day. We will not stop. While Mr. Pashinyan is holding political prisoners, we will speak about it every day. Because this is something, there is nothing else besides freeing the hostages in Azerbaijan that should be dealt with first. What I'm saying, to be clear, is that we will only resort to legal means. We are not challenging the government. We are saying we will go to the EU, go to the United States, and make people aware of the authoritarian that lives inside Mr. Pashinyan and his wife.